Hi. So about the task Google Docs and SDoc problems. The first is to Google Docs issues. Few of the issues I will discuss it in later another video. And I don't have the access for the sandbox anymore. So the issues like why it did not process the Google templates while processing the signature. I will I have to figure out that why it's happening, but please just give me the access for the sandbox. And the second is SDoc issue, which about SDocs. SDocs type, I think I have never worked with SDocs type. I have seen this parameter in our code, and while I was um, creating a separate class like parameter utils which manage all the parameters. I had added this subject type parameter, but I never knew what is the purpose of this one. So I just moved back to few versions, like I am here like 3.7, and I try to figure out what's the purpose of this docs type. And as you they told me already, so the thing is, the parts before first thing I done in classic is before I have done the synchronous mode on page, everything was on batch. Okay. So when we are working with batch only, and in the Visual Force component, I'm talking about classic right now because okay, so when everything was on batch mode, everything was on batch mode, we redirect to either return URL or to back to the parent, or to any other external URL, or on the signature record. We were using the JavaScript on the component, on the Visual Force component. Okay, and we still use this when the batch is enabled and the signature synchronous processing is not enabled. So that in that case we use this, but when we started working on the signature processing on the page, like in signature processing on page, so we moved the redirection part to the apex, like apex side. So now apex class redirect to whatever it is, either it is return URL, or the save and new button is clicked, or back to parent, or we have to redirect to the record ID. So this is done by the apex class, which is done by me, but I haven't implemented this part. So because at the time I'm not sure, I don't remember. So a subject type is right here. But if you like, I just first thing I tested is like I disabled the synchronous part so that I see that it's working for the batch. So it will work if you are working with the version. Let me tell you the version it was you were testing, which was 3.134.7 right here. In that version, if you test with back to parent attribute, back to parent to 1, then it will work fine, because you see this is a older, very old version, where if back to parent is 1, that is back to parent, 1 is passed and parent ID is there, and as docs type is there, then it try to redirect to this page, yes doc, which is the namespace of the package, and then AST create one, and then ID of the parent and the object. So for our case, we are working with contact, then the URL will be like ID will be the contact ID and the object is equal to the contact. So in that case, because if I go to the button, you are testing here in the classic sign and DA, you see okay, maybe it should have worked, I'm not sure. The back to parent is right here. Okay, I'm not sure. Maybe you have added, but I'm confused a little bit. But that's okay. So that's okay. Yeah, now I get it. So you have added like back to parent one, but you were testing with the synchronous mode. So that's not done in these versions. So first thing I did is like I implemented SDoc type for the synchronous mode of in Visual Force Classic component, and I tested with this button. which is NDA SDoc fix. So now I added like this is both of these like buttons are same, with one difference. I added these three parameters like email to 0, attached PDF to 0, and attached PDF parent to 0. So you know that we like added a few functionalities, which is like if we go to configuration. So you see this is attached PDF after signature and attached PDF on parent record, on email PDF to contact after signature. These three are ticked from the here setup. And if we like try to use this URL to sign, no sorry, this one. So based on the custom setting, these three will always be true like by default. So we have to like pass these three with 0 so that it should not like check those, because maybe we are working with this structs type. Okay, so let me I just done this for classic version and like upgraded the package with the 3.134.8. So let's test, and hopefully this is what you want. And if you have any if you want to change anything, let me know, because I'm not familiar with SDocs type. I'm just like looking into the codes that's are done uh, in the older package. Okay, sign. Yeah, so it sent me to here like this URL that I asked, like I talked about. So it got like the ID of the parent and the type is contact. So because you put like contact, we have to put the object ID, parent ID. Now you already like discussed this, like how it works. So we go to the next step. Yeah, and then email selected doc. Okay, so I don't want to like email anything, and let's go back to the record that I was testing with. So let's go back to the contact. I'm not sure where it should redirect to the contact at the end. I think this should the S3 email page should do that. And let's go back to the contact. So here we are. The second, yeah, the second that I just created. Okay, so everything is here, and it will not be processed because I just yeah made these 0, that means false. Okay, that's okay. So it's working now, I guess. And please let me know about that. Let's just in lightning. So I never done this in the lightning, and I have done this for the lightning component today. So let me know if you want to make any changes, but I think this is working fine in lightning in here in lightning component as well. So for this I made some changes. Like you already had like a experience NDA, which has like everything here, but one thing was missing, which was the back to parent parameter one. So I just created a new NDA fix experience, and I did a new action which is like an NDA fix, and let's test. Okay, and this is third sign. Okay, yeah, so this is same as the classic one, and it redirected it to here. So I think this is also working fine. Let's go back to the contact. We all open the third. You see, yeah, we got, so we have the third one here. And please let me know if I need to change anything. And I think this is it. This is what we needed to do. Like everything else is in the other package, the stock package. So we just needed to redirect to that one, and I think everything is done. After that, everything is manual, and I'm not sure if it works inside, or we have to maybe. I think we have to configure that if we want to like make it in the guests, because right now for like the lightning component, if it is guest account, lightning component will not redirect to the stocks type, I guess. That's not how it is done, but please let me know about that, and thank you.